here. I did recommend this here, which is also like it. So gonna go each of these doors and it is still open. And now in building 53, we go along to an SD, which is in very nice distance. This. What's these people that they were being doing? Oh, late. Hey! You! What the heck are you here in this building? Oh my god, there's so... It needs to check there, like people on the top floor. I don't need to check this. Oh, why?
¿Cuántas puertas tiene? Creo que
4.
4 veces no.
Beer.
Entonces esto.
No sé, no, es que no te lo va a pillar.
Beer.
No, ahora cuando.
Sí, lo cogerá igual.
¿Sí?
Digo, en teoría debe de cogerlo.
Beer 6.
Sí. Ay.
Here we go.
Otra vez, ¿para qué va a subir un piso más? Ay, no.
Because this...
Al final va a ser que no vaya ninguna.
Oh, I'm sorry. For that, no more film.